Students, we have already discussed and solved 13 up to 13 numericals of chapter and exercise. Now over to the 14th sum. An object 5 centimeter in length is placed at the distance of 20 centimeter in front of mirror, convex mirror. Radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Find the position of the image, its nature and size. Here we have given convex mirror. So for convex mirror, the object distance uh, object distance is negative, whereas focal length, radius of curvature, both are positive. And for convex mirror, image obtained behind the mirror, so the object image distance is also positive. Now due to the sign convention, the object height is 5 centimeter because it is upward height. Object distance u is equal to minus 20 centimeter because according to sign convention the object distance is always negative. Radius of curvature for convex mirror is positive, plus 30. Focal length is also positive, it is the half of the radius, 30 upon 2 is equal to 15 centimeter. Now position of image and size of image should be found. So we have already discussed many numericals. In the similar way, mirror formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. Now we have to find v. So u side change. So it is minus 1 upon u. So 1 upon f minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon v. So 1 upon 15 minus u is equal to minus 20. So we have LCM 15, 20, 60. 15 for the 20 3s. So LCM is 15 4s are 4 1s are 4, minus into minus plus 20 3s are 3 1s are 3, 4 plus 3 7 upon 60. It is 1 upon v is equal to 7 upon 60. So v is equal to, it is inverted, 60 upon 7. So the answer is 8.57 centimeter because 7 8s are 56, 4 to 40, 7 5s are 35, 5 50, 7 7s are 49. So we have 8.57 and so on, but approximate is 0.57 centimeter. So 8.57 centimeter is the object image distance. So it is positive. So image is virtual and erect. Now we have to find image height. So we have to use magnification. So m is equal to minus v upon u is equal to h dash upon h. Therefore h dash upon h is equal to minus v upon u. H dash by cross multiplication, h is multiply with minus v. So v is equal to 60 upon 7. Here 60 upon 7 into h upon u, h5, and u is equal to minus 20. So 15 upon 7, it is 2.14 centimeter. The height of the image is 2.14 centimeter, but object size is 5 centimeter, and we have 2.14 centimeter image height. It means the image is reduced size. So nature of image is virtual and erect. Why virtual and erect? Because v is positive, so it is obtained behind the mirror, and image size is 2.14 centimeter, means small image. Now 15. An object of height 7 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained. Find the size and nature of the image. We have concave mirror here. Concave mirror, it means uh, object distance, focal length, radius of curvature, all are negative. Now height is 7 centimeter, object height, but h is equal to 7 centimeter, it is h. So 27 centimeter is placed, object is placed at 27 centimeter. So object is always negative, object distance. So u is equal to minus 27. Focal length f. The focal length f is 18 centimeter, but focal length of concave mirror is negative, so it is minus. This all due to the Cartesian sign convention. So we have to find uh, mirror from a distance from the mirror should a screen be placed. So screen mirror in front of mirror, where is the screen be placed? So we have to find image distance. So image distance and size of the image. So h dash should be fine. Now similar mirror formula. So 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v. We have to find 1 upon v, 1 upon u. The side of 1 upon u should be changed. So it is minus 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. 1 upon minus 18 minus 1 upon minus 27. This minus plus. Now 18 into 27. So 18 4s are 54. 18 3s are 54. 27 2s are 54. So 54 is the LCM. So 18 3s are. So 3 1s are 3. Minus. So minus 3. Minus plus 27 to the 2 1s are 2, minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 upon 54, and it is inverse, v is equal to minus 54. Minus 54, so minus 54 it is in front of the mirror, so the image is real and inverted. Now we have to find height of the image. So h dash upon h is equal to minus v upon u. So h dash is equal to, by cross multiplication, minus v is multiply with h, and u is equal to minus this is minus v, so minus, but v is equal to minus 54, so again minus 54. This is by rule minus, and this is minus 54 for v minus 54. Minus into minus plus, and into 7 upon minus 27, minus plus 27 2s are, so minus 7 into 2, 7 it is 14, minus 14 centimeter. Minus 14 centimeter, it means the image is inverted, because it is the height below the principal axis. So downward height is negative. So image height is 14 centimeter, larger image distance 54 centimeter in front of mirror and from the pole of the mirror, and image nature real and inverted. Image height is negative, so it is real and inverted, because according to sign convention, real image is negative. Or image distance, if image is real, the image distance is negative, so the real image. Now 16. Find the focal length of a lens of power minus 2.0 d diopter. What type of lens is this? The power of lens P is equal to minus 2.0 d. It means minus, here minus, power of lens is minus, so it is concave lens. If power of lens is negative or focal length is negative, so it is concave lens. So power is negative. And our formula is formula of power is P is equal to 1 upon f. So we have to find f. The side change. So f is equal to 1 upon P. So 1 upon minus 2, it is equal to minus 1 upon 2, 0.5 in decimal, 0.5 meter. And in centimeter, it is minus 50 centimeter. The focal length of the concave lens is minus 50 centimeter. It is concave lens or diverging lens. a doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power 1.5 plus 1.5D plus 1.5 matlab convex lens. Find the focal length of the lens. Is the prescribed lens diverging or converging? The power of lens P is equal to plus 1.5D. It means it is convex lens. Why? Because power or focal length is positive. So it is convex lens. So P is equal to 1 upon F. So F is equal to 1 upon B because we have to find focal length. So 1 upon plus 1.5 plus 1.5, so 15 upon 10, so 10 is go up, so plus 10 upon 15, so it is plus 2 upon 3, and we have to find the decimal of 2 upon 3 is equal to 0 0.66666. It is repeated number, so it is approximately plus 0.67 meter, and 0.67 meter is equal to 67 centimeter. So the power of lens is positive, means it is convex lens, also called the converging lens, because the image obtained by convex lens is always real and inverted. So here the exercise is completed. Now you have to find some numerical by your own. So here is some numericals. This is second. This is third. And some important question. Here is the in the third question. Here some magnification is given according to the Cartesian sign convention, and from calculation you have to find nature, size and type of mirror. Which type of mirror is used? So due to power, magnification, you have to find this. So here some situation is given. You have to write which lens or mirror is used. So here some important question to be practiced. Now here it is the end of this 10th chapter. It is most important chapter. Okay, thank you.